Hello, in front of me I have Amazfit T Rex 2 and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm clock on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe left on the screen to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu, find the option called Alarm and tap on it. And here we have the alarm menu, and in it we can set up the alarm clocks. If you don't have any alarms, you will see this on the screen, and you can tap on this big plus button to add the alarm. And once you tap on it, you will see the hour. Basically, you can set the time on which the alarm should go off, and you can do it by swiping up and down on the hours, then minutes. And once you're done, you can tap on the check mark. And once you set the time, you will enter the edit page, and here we can customize our alarm even further. We can turn it on or off. We can change the time again if you need to. You can tap on the repeat option, and here you can select or how often, or rather on which day the alarm should ring or go off rather. And we have only once, so if you select this option, the alarm will activate only once. If you select every day, it will activate every day. If you select custom, you can select basically specific days. So you have every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and stuff like that. Select the option, for example, I'm gonna select Saturday and Sunday, but you can select anything you want. And once you're done, you can swipe right on the screen to go back. And we have the custom option, Saturday, Sunday. Once you're done selecting the or setting up the days on which the alarm should repeat, you can go back. And below repeat, we have smart alarm, and you can enable this option. And what this option does is basically it will calculate the optimal time to wake you up, and it's gonna start waking you up within the 30 minutes before the alarm is set, basically. So if the watch calculates that optimal time to wake you up is 10 minutes before the alarm time is set up, it will start to wake you up 10 minutes before. That's how it works. Okay, and once you're done, you can scroll down and tap on done to save your alarm clock. And here we have it. You can of course add more alarm clocks if you want, like this. You can enable or disable them right here by tapping on the switch. And if you want to remove the alarm clock, simply swipe left on one. So for example, let's select this one right here, swipe left on it, like this. You will see the pen icon. You can tap on it to remove it, like that. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you set up the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.